and this is your spacious living area. And you can add up a L-shaped platform this side where you can fit in your master bed in the center of the room. Are you looking for a home that truly offers you water-inspired lifestyle? This is True Aquapolis by True Dwellings. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour of this project. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project. So basically I'm standing on the main entrance. This will be the main entrance of our project, and just we enter, the land parcel starts from here and the marketing office is inside over this side. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Aquapolis is spread across 8.6 acre of land parcel, consisting of 7 towers in all, currently open with 3 towers each rising from 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, offering you 3 BHK, 4 BHK homes with just 4 corner flats per floor, gives you 78% of open space. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 90 plus world class amenities like of 2 grand clubhouses in the name of Rhythm and Shore. You get rooftop swimming pool with aqua gym, Olympic size swimming pool, kids play area, sand pit that is Indian Akhada, basketball court, and even you get lots of water bodies surrounded. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Wortur Whitefield Road in Wortur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and our main entrance will be coming up right behind me over here. So basically this is the Wortur Whitefield Road, and this road on the left hand side will take you towards Wortur, and the right hand side road will connect you towards Whitefield. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to Taj Vivanta in just 3 kilometers. Sigma Tech Park is 3 kilometers away and Brookfield Mall is 5 kilometers away from the project. Let's have a look at your 3 BHK model flat of 1980 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of our house. So once you enter, let me show you that they are providing you with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And let me mention one more thing, that this home is east facing home, and this project offers you east and west facing itself, giving you 100% Vastu compliant home. And this is your spacious living area. So once you enter, let's focus upon the living area, and you can have a look how spacious the living area is, where you can do your own interior with the sofa set, your teapot, and even the TV unit which is right in front of the sofa set. Now coming towards the dining space, and this is your spacious dining area where you can set your 6 to 8 seater of dining table easily, because this dining area is much more spacious. You can even set your cutleries right over here. And now this side is the perfect balcony attached to your dining area. Let's quickly move inside your balcony. This are wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony is 3 side covered. You can enjoy a perfect scenic view from this balcony. Now let's quickly move inside your kitchen area. So this side is the kitchen space. So basically they will be providing you with an open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious, and you can have a look over here. The kitchen will be provided fully raw, so you can have your own design. You can add up a serving platform like this, and even the refrigerator space is right over here. Even the white goods are taken care of, and you can add up a L-shaped platform this side. Now they have even provided you with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. So the machine provision is provided in the corner itself. Now let's move further to check the bedroom space, and 2 bedrooms are provided in one side of the house and other 1 bedroom on the other side. So basically let's quickly move inside your bedroom number 1. So once you step inside, you can have a look over here. It comes up with vitrified flooring. And this is a spacious bedroom size. Here's the bed space in the center of the room. Additionally, they have provided you with a private balcony with this room. And here's the private balcony. Comes up with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and again this balcony is 3-side covered. You can enjoy a perfect scenic view from here. Once you step inside, let's focus upon the wardrobe space. This is the wardrobe area and you can even add up the work table right beside it. Now this bedroom comes up with a private washroom as well. So here's the private washroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and the shower area is divided via tile drop. Now let's quickly move inside towards your bedroom number 2, which is exactly in front of this bedroom. But before that, here's the common washroom in the center of the house. Let's check out the common washroom. Again, it comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So with the easy access to this washroom, here's your bedroom number 2. So this is your bedroom number 2, again with vitrified flooring, and this is a spacious room. You can have a look at the bed space in the center of the room and there is ample of space to move around. Additionally, they will be providing you with a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And once you open this window, you can enjoy this with toughened glass railing, and you can convert this window into a Juliet balcony as well. Additionally, here this side is the wardrobe space. You can add up the huge wardrobe right over here. Now let's quickly move inside your bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is on the other side of the house as mentioned, but before moving inside the bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tool, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, with payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com, so what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So your master bedroom is over this side. Once you step inside and you can have a look on the uniqueness. The uniqueness is the flooring. Comes up with proper wooden flooring. And this is the room size. This is the most spacious room of the house where you can fit in your master bed in the center of the room. And yes, they are providing you with a perfect private balcony as well. So once we quickly move inside, you can have a look at the flooring again with wooden finishing flooring, half wall structure and toughened glass railing, and you can enjoy a perfect scenic view and me time in this balcony as well. Now once you step inside, let's focus upon the wardrobe space. So here you can add up your wardrobe, your dressing area, and this is the TV unit space. Now in fact, they have provided you with this area where you can set up your dressing area like this. And the attached washroom is right over this side. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Here as well, the shower area is divided via tile drop. So this was all about your 3 BHK sample flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Bortur location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do again let me know in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.